How to fix unable to delete carrier voicemail on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear stuck voicemails from your device on your Android device. First, open the phone app on your Android device. After that, tap on voicemail at the bottom of the screen to open your voicemail inbox. From there, tap and hold on the voicemail you want to delete to select it. At this point, tap delete to remove it and see if it clears successfully. In the next step, if the voicemail keeps coming back or won't delete, try calling your carrier's voicemail number directly and deleting it from there. Following this, if that doesn't work, go to your home screen and long press on the phone app icon and tap App Info. Once done, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache to remove any corrupted data that may be preventing the voicemail from being deleted. Finally, restart your device and open the voicemail inbox again to confirm the voicemail has been successfully removed. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you delete your stuck voicemail, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.